Down news dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. Iran struck back against Israel on Tuesday, launching a barrage of missiles after Tel Aviv claimed it had carried out ground incursions into South Lebanon, raising concerns of a dangerous escalation in the Middle East, and sending Western capitals sirens going off across major Israeli cities such as Tel Aviv and occupied Jerusalem, as missiles streaked across the sky. Some of them were intercepted by Israeli defenses, while others were seen impacting the ground. There were no immediate reports of casualties, but it reported that the missiles also appeared to be targeting their settlements in places such as the occupied West Bank. It was reported falling from the sky in places, while Israelis were ordered to remain in bomb shelters for a few hours. New para. IDF systems have identified approximately 180 missiles fired towards Israeli territory from Iran, the Israeli military said. Israeli military spokesman warned that the attack would have consequences, while Hamas praised the heroic rocket launch. Iran launched about twice as many ballistic missiles on Tuesday as it did in its previous attack on Israel earlier this year, in response to a deadly Israeli airstrike on the Iranian consulate in Damascus. The missiles attack, which was preceded by a US warning to Israel, prompted airlines around the world to cancel flights over the region, with Pakistan's flag carrier also announcing it was halting the use of Iranian airspace following the escalation. Iran's Revolutionary Guards IRGC said the missile attack was in response to the assassinations of Hezbollah chief last week and Hamas leader Ismail Haniyeh in Tehran. New para. It later said that the missile salvo mainly targeted 3 military bases around Tel Aviv. In response to the martyrdom of Hamas leader, we targeted the heart of the occupied territories, Israel, IRGC said in a statement reported by the news agency. The IRGC threatened to carry out crushing attacks against regional Israel if it retaliated after the missile attack. If the Zionist regime reacts to Iranian operations, it will face crushing attacks, the Guard said. Iran's mission to the United Nations in New York posted on X that the attack on Israel is a legal, rational, and legitimate response to the terrorist acts. Should the Zionist regime dare to respond or commit further acts of malevolence, a subsequent and crushing response will ensue. The end.